The first thing you'll see when you log into Canvas is your dashboard. From here, you might have to scroll to get to your current courses. Over on the left, we have the global menu. A couple of things to point out here are the Canvas inbox, where you can message with your students directly in Canvas, and the Help button that has a list of resources like Canvas guides and helplines provided to you at your campus. Now, let's take a look at a course. On the left-hand side of any course is the course navigation menu. You can clean up what students see here by going to Settings and over on the third tab, Navigation. Anything at the top underneath drag and drop items to reorder them in the course navigation will be viewed by students. Anything at the bottom under drag items here to hide them from students will be hidden. You can simply drag and drop items from the top to below that you don't plan to use in your course, or you can click the three dots here to disable. Let's take a moment right now to clean things up. The recommended items to include are home, announcements, grades, modules, and NetTutor. That is your online tutoring that's available to students. If you're interested in using Confer Zoom, make sure that is also enabled at the top of your course navigation. Once you're done cleaning up your links, make sure to go down to the bottom of the page and hit Save. Once you've saved it, over on the left, you'll notice that you will see some of the items you've hidden, but they are invisible to students. Some of the items you've enabled, such as announcements, might show as invisible until you've posted an announcement, and then they would become visible to students. You might also see the same sort of thing for modules until you've published a module. One more course setting to consider is under Course Details, that first tab, and it's all the way down at the bottom under More Options. There's a checkbox that says Show Recent Announcements on course homepage. If you check this, then any announcements you end up making will show to students right when they log into your course. And then you have to make sure you hit Update Course Details to include that feature in your course. Back at the home page, we have our module view. After you've added items into your course or would like to start communicating with students, it's important for you to publish your course every semester for every course. To publish your course, go to the far right and select Publish. It will turn green when your course is published, and then students will be able to see any of the content you've provided, receive announcements, and receive your messages in Canvas.